everybody, Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Let's work on learning our two-finger spear strike, or E-G Kwan Soo Kong Kyuck.
E-G Kwan Soo Kong Kyuck, sir.
Once more, E-G
E-G
Kwan Soo
Kwan Soo
Kong Kyuck.
Kong Kyuck, sir.
Good, two-finger spear strike. Now, we're just going to make two fingers up like this, and we're going to try to make them level with each other. And then we're going to tighten our hand as strong as we can with our fingers. This is only intended for the eyes. It's never intended for anything else. And then you just step forward and you spear strike to the eye. And reset. And once more, height!
Height!
And reset. And opposite side, height!
Height!
And reset. Height!
Height!
Now, this is also socially acceptable. You can spear out like this, classic like Three Stooges kind of move. But like, think about if you hit the forehead, you're probably gonna hurt your fingers. Whereas if your fingers are together, you're probably gonna slide into that target a little bit easier. So, two-finger spear, only targeting the eyes. Once on the target, nice and slow.
Height!
Good, and reset. Good, and that is our two-finger spear strike, or E-G Kwan Soo Kong Kyuck. Practice what you learned, make it rock.